Another essay by Oscar Wilde, The Importance of Being Earnest. Oscar Wilde was an Anglo-Irish playwright, a novelist, a well-known poet, and a critic. He is regarded as one of the greatest playwrights of the Victorian era. He was born on 16th of October 1854 in Ireland. In his early 1890s, he became one of the most popular playwrights in London. In his lifetime, he wrote 9 plays, 1 novel, and numerous poems, short stories, and essays. Oscar Wilde was a proponent of the aesthetic movement, which emphasized aesthetic values more than moral or social themes. Aesthetic का मतलब है pertaining to senses. This doctrine is most clearly summarized in a phrase, art for art's sake. He was imprisoned for his homosexual relationship with the son of an aristocrat. Oscar Wilde was known for his acclaimed works including The Picture of Dorian Gray and The Importance of Being Earnest. These two are one of the most important and famous works by Oscar Wilde. Wilde died of meningitis on November 30th, 1990 at the age of 46. What is the introduction of this essay? The Importance of Being Earnest is a comic play written by Oscar Wilde. कि ये एक comic play है which is written by Oscar Wilde. It was first performed on 14th February at St. James Theatre in London. It is a farcical comedy in which the protagonists, the heroes, maintain fictitious persona to escape burdensome social obligations. कि ये एक ऐसी comedy है जिसके अंदर प्रोटैगनिस्ट यानी कैरेक्टर्स, इम्पॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर्स, हीरोज मेंटेन फिक्टिशियस पर्सोना कि अपनी वो एक सोफिस्टिकेटेड, एक बहुत फेक किस्म की जो पर्सनालिटी है वो बनाए रखते हैं इन ऑर्डर टू एस्केप बर्डनसम सोसाइटी की बोझ से छुटकारा हासिल करने के लिए एक फिक्टिशियस यानी ख्याली पर्सोनास बनाते हैं. द प्लेस प्रोटैगनिस्ट इज जैक वर्दिंग. के प्ले का जो हीरो है हीज नेम इज़ जैक. सीमिंगली रिस्पॉन्सिबल के लगता तो ऐसा है अपेरेंटली कि ही इज़ वेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल एंड रिस्पेक्टेबल यंग मैन हु लीड्स अ डबल लाइफ. डबल यानी डबल स्टैंडर्ड लाइफ. जैक एंड एल्गनॉन अटेम्प्ट्स टू विन द हार्ट ऑफ 2 वुमेन. कि ये दोनों जो दोस्त हैं दे ट्राई टू विन द हार्ट ऑफ 2 वुमेन. 2 औरतों का दिल जीतने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं इन दिस प्ले. Wilde uses satire to ridicule the cultural norms of marriage. Oscar Wilde इस play के अंदर ही is ridiculing, वो satire का element use कर रहा है मजाक उड़ाने के लिए the cultural norms of marriage, love and mindset which were very rigid during the Victorian age. So what is the main idea of the importance of being earnest by Oscar Wilde? In the importance of being earnest, the upper classes care about being respectable so much so that they do a lot of lying about it. This is a satire. This is a truth about particular Victorian era, जिस era में ये सब चीज़ें practice होती थी. उन era को लेते हुए ऑस्कर वाइल्ड ने अपने प्ले के अंदर उन सब चीज़ों को satire के थ्रू रिडिक्यूल करने की कोशिश की है. And what he says is that कि upper classes, elite classes जो हैं they are so much showy, they are so much they so much care about being respectable, so much कि वो अपने आप की क्लास को मेंटेन करने के लिए they are so much responsible, so much worried कि वो अपनी क्लास को मेंटेन करने के लिए they do a lot of lying, झूठ बहुत बोलते हैं अपनी रिस्पेक्ट बनाने के लिए. Jack's conflict with his identity. He has to decide on who he wants to be. कि Jack is facing mutual identity crisis. He is not able to decide who he is or who he wants to be. He can either be earnest and live the fast city life and marry Gwendolyn, but be a liar. वो या तो अपने आप को earnest साबित कर सकता है और अपनी फास्ट शहरी ज़िंदगी गुजार सकता है एंड Gwendolyn से शादी कर सकता है, but it all should be happening on the cost of being a liar. Or he can tell the truth एंड बी रिजेक्टेड बाय द लव ऑफ हिज लाइफ, कि वो सच बोलकर या तो अपनी बिलवड के सामने सच बोलकर उसको लूज कर सकता है, यानी कि ही हैज़ टू ऑप्शंस. ही कैन लीड अ गुड लाइफ बाय मैरिंग ग्वेंडोलिन, झूठ बोलने के जरिए, या फिर सच बोलकर वो उसको लूज कर सकता है, एंड लिव अ सिंपल लाइफ इन द कंट्री विद हिज फैमिली. So these are the two basic identity crises between which Jack is lingering. Algernon thinks the servant class has a responsibility to set a moral standard for the upper classes. अब इसमें एल्गरनॉन जो जैक का दोस्त है उसकी ये सोच है कि सर्वेंट क्लास जो है, मिडिल क्लास जो है, उसकी there is a certain responsibility of the servant class, and that responsibility is to set a moral standard, कि एक इखलाकियात का स्टैंडर्ड सेट करना for upper classes. What Wilde wants us to see as truly moral is really the opposite of earnestness, irreverence. Jack and Algernon are wealthy gentlemen. Jack, known to Algernon as Ernest, lives a respectable life in the country, providing an example to his young ward Cecily. Jack wants to marry Algernon's cousin Gwendolen, but must first convince her mother, Lady Bracknell, of the respectability of his parents. कि जैक जो है वो एल्गरनॉन की कज़न ग्वेंडोलन से शादी करना चाहता है, लेकिन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ही हैज़ टू कन्विंस हर मदर, हुज नेम इज़ लेडी ब्रैकनल. और क्या कन्विंस करना है? और रिस्पेक्टेबिलिटी ऑफ हिज पेरेंट्स. What are the themes now in this play? There is respect and reputation, themes of lies and deceit, more importantly, society and class, foolishness and follies, marriage, irony, seriousness and determination. There is the theme of morality and identity as well. Identity crisis which Jack is stuck between. Now, list of characters. Jack Worthing, who is a young gentleman from the country, and he is in love with Gwendolen Fairfax, the cousin of Algernon. Now, Algernon Moncrief, who is a young gentleman from London, the nephew of Lady Bracknell, and Gwendolen's cousin, in love with Cecily Cardew. Gwendolen Fairfax, who is a young lady loved by Jack Worthing. Lady Bracknell, Gwendolen's mother, who is Cecily Cardew, the ward of Jack Worthing, a young lady. Miss Prism, who is the governess of the house. What is the conclusion of this short play? At the end of the story, they become two young couples, united by the name Ernest. This drama mocks the lifestyle of high class in the Victorian era. As I have already told you in the beginning of this lecture, author Oscar Wilde is actually trying to mock, मजाक उड़ा रहा है. He is trying to ridicule the lifestyle of high class in the Victorian era, which focuses on wealth and material things. Victorian era के अंदर most people they were materialistic, and they focused on wealth as much as more than any other thing in the high class. So meanwhile the gender roles are reversed. The male possessed the traditional stereotype of female, such as playing piano and eating sandwiches and muffins without doing productive things. So the females, on the contrary, show strong will and aggression.